This is the double Clubbell order Bulgarian split squat. So for this exercise, we need 2 Clubbells. We also need something to rest our back foot on. What I'm using here, I'm just using a parallel bar. So it's a good height for me. And then what I do, this is just a barbell hip thrust pad. So I just put that over top. Just to protect your foot a little bit more. This one has Velcro as well. So I just Velcro it on so it doesn't slide around. If you don't have a parallel bar or a bar to do Bulgarian split squats on, you can use a bench. What you can also do is you can set up a barbell in your squat rack. Just lower the J hooks to about knee height. And then you may want to use the barbell pad again to get into position there. But I like this setup. This setup works for me. So to begin the movement, we're going to grab both Clubbells. We're going to start in the order position. So I think to get into position first, you want to use the Clubbells to balance, bring your front foot forward, and then when you're in position, just flip the Clubbells up to the order position. So forearms at 90 degrees, elbows pinned into your side. And then we're going to lower our body, keeping balanced. You don't have to touch the ground, but you can come quite close. So that's 1 rep, big deep breath. 3. So yeah, it's a great exercise for your quads, also your balance. And because we're using the Clubbells, it takes even more stability. These things want to fall over, so you really have to hold on and be super stable as you're trying to balance in the Bulgarian split squat position. So really like this variation, really challenging. And again, it's the double Clubbell Bulgarian split squat.